Hello friends, my name is Ameya Rasam. I have completed BE Mechanical Engineering. I got to know about Milestone Institute of Technology and their courses and job opportunities through my friend last year, as he also got job opportunity from Milestone Master course. So I also enrolled myself in Milestone Institute of Technology for the same Master Diploma course in Product Design back in January 2023. The softwares I took were AutoCAD, SolidWorks and Siemens NX. So I also got placed in a good company in just 8 months. I like the manner in which Milestone planned of teaching in depth each software, that is chapter wise and how much time it should take. In master course fees, you get 3 softwares, personality development class, 4 interview calls, government affiliation is cherry on top. This much planning and perks I haven't seen in other class. Well, I was very stressed after completing my engineering back in 2021. Because of COVID, most of the companies providing job or internship for a mechanical candidate got closed in the adjacent areas of Mumbai and Thane. The companies which stayed took only experienced candidate or required reference in the company. After enrolling, I got all the necessary knowledge regarding the software, how to properly manage time in designing a product efficiently. Also, I got helped in interview questions, industrial manners and ethics through personality development classes. All the faculties and staffs were very supportive and friendly throughout the journey, always helped me and cleared my doubts, gave me necessary advice and guided me if I got stuck in a particular software.